guys, welcome back to Awesome Squad Original. And as you know, you're like, when's the new cartoon video coming out? I'm sorry, I'm not doing one today or this Saturday. I'm gonna make one next Saturday. I'm working on it. I'm sorry, I just wanted to do this video because you guys fallen in love with my Diary of a Wimpy Kid ranking. You also saw that Goosebumps ranking and got like past 30. And I think you guys like my ranking, so I'm going to be doing a Dogman ranking. So I hope you enjoy. And let's get on to the show. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, we are starting. But it's a mess. Let's get this into actually a stack. Let's go. Come on. They're supposed to be ranking, like in a ranking, and not order, in order. Snapping. Why are you so a struggle? Okay, let's do it again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. All right. Here we go. This is my Dogman collection. I mean rankings. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. This is the first. Dogman Lord of the Fleas. This one wasn't too good. Yeah, I am going from worst to the best. I think this one didn't really, I don't know, I just didn't like it. And at least, like, I got this. This was the first book I ever got. And thank goodness I didn't, like, stop reading. Thank goodness I didn't, stop reading the series. Like, oh, this is bad. Blah, 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 books are bad. Like, wasn't that, I wasn't that rude, okay? Jeez. But I think the part with, like, Petey's story, I didn't really like. I think with the Petey's, like, backstory, and, like, I didn't like the fleas in it. The fleas really, I don't like. I'm sorry if, like, you do like the fleas, but, hey, this is a ranking, my own opinion. So I could say what I want. And I think that I didn't really like the fleas in this. Especially the pig. The pig just die. Next one. Dogman Unleashed. This one wasn't too good. I didn't like with the point where, like, the Flat Petey. The Flat Petey kind of lost control there. I think with Flippy, it would be a good book. And also, especially the part, like, where they had the Dogman, the Wars of Petey, with the bath. That just, I don't know, like, kept it, I know, like, Owl don't have to be past 200, but still, it was, like, a solid, let me see, 194. You don't have to make everyone, like, the same length, like, even, like, see, look at, like, even, I know they're, like, 234, or it could be 223. Like, I don't think, like, this point really had to, oh my gosh, I actually on the wrong page. It's a mirror effect, guys. Don't judge me. This didn't really have to be there. Just, don't judge me, okay? Next one. Dogman Grand Punishment. This one was okay. I think the part I didn't like about this was mainly with the spider, or with, like, the big, like, hat thingy. You know, that made them, like bigger and, like, stronger. That didn't have to be there at all. Like, the mayor part was, like, I think a good to be in there, but I think the part with the helmet thing didn't really, like, I didn't like too much. So I'm sorry, but I don't like it too much. I also got it the same day, so it wasn't worth it. Alright, next one. Dogman Fetch 22. Alright, it was okay. But I just didn't really like it too much. I think the part where I didn't like the fairy part. The fairy part got me like, don't be like, I hope you're not like the Lord of the Fleas. I just didn't like it. I had to waste $10 going to Powell's Books in Portland to get this. It wasn't am trying to collect the whole series, but what do you want from me? So, next one. So, don't you know they always say the first is the best or it's good? In this opinion, Dogman, this first book wasn't like that. It wasn't like Diary of Wimpy Kid. It wasn't like Middle School, the worst years of my life. It wasn't like that. No, it wasn't. So, it really, I didn't like how it kept jumping around. Like, every chapter is a new fighting scene. Like, they could have broken it even up into different books. Like, you know how much more we've gotten? We would have gotten so many, but they had to break up. I just didn't like that. Because it's usually a book, like, I know if it has, like, normal name, it even has just one problem. Just one. Like, so many scattered. And especially the bookum part. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. See, I didn't like it, the like, when they, like, play, like, old comics. Like, I didn't like that. So, I don't really like this too much. I'm sorry. Next one. This is okay. Brawl of the Wild is okay. I didn't like the jail part. The jail part is like, when this is over. Like, I didn't like it, so don't hurt me on this. I didn't like it too much, and I'm really sorry, but I have my own ways. And I don't care. You meanies? So, I didn't really like the jail part. It wasn't really necessary for me. I don't know. Don't hurt me. Just have my own opinions. Next one. It's not necessarily a Dogman book, but I'm still putting my ranking because, like, then I'd just be off to the side. They don't have a second book in the series, so I'm putting it in here. Khaki Comic Club. This is great. Yeah, we're on to, like, the best ones. This one's good. I like it. It's like a full-on story, especially with Flippy and stuff. That was like a full-on story, and I like it. That's a great job, Dave Pilkey. Or you can say George Harold. So, it's a great job. I don't know what that was. Next one. Dogman Cat Kid. Alright, this is great. I love it. I love it where how they, like has Dogman found the perfect sidekick. Like, I like how Lil Pete and them team up. PD wants him to be evil. It's just like, see, this is what I need to edit. Alright, next we have, second to last, Dogman, Tale of Two Kitties. I love it because I love how there's Lil Petey and he joins and just amazing. It's like, mwah. It's beautiful. I think it's great, and I think you guys need to check it out for yourselves so you guys can be happy by reading this because it's a really good book, and I've read it so many times. And I'm rereading the Dog series so many times because it's so good. I'm actually, if you've seen the Awesome Squad Reads book review of Dogman and unboxing, I think it was kind of not good because the unboxing wasn't even unboxing. I already unboxed it. So, I might delete it and then make a better one that you guys can actually enjoy. So, I'm not linking it. Last but not least, the best one. Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls. Oh, it's just amazing. This one's the best thing around. I love it where it has the grandpa coming and then like a return of the character from the first book and then like Dogman being afraid of balls and now he's not. I guys love it, and you guys need to check it out. You guys will be happy with all. So that's it for my ranking of Dogman. You guys should tell me, comment or tag me on Instagram. Show like a whole entire stack of like your ranking on like best to least. So yeah, I could so I can check it out. And yeah, tag me on Instagram, please. Also, if you want to tag me on Instagram, my Instagram is Jack_Titan_68. So yeah, that should be it for today's video. If you like this video or Saturday's video, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I post videos every Saturday, so if you want to, be updated every Saturday, click subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new video. Bye. See you later. I'm going to get to reading my favorite Dogman book.